This FEIERDUN 5-in-1 adjustable dumbbell set replaces several pairs of light dumbbells, giving you a full range from gentle toning to more challenging strength work without taking over your living room. The quick change mechanism lets you switch weights in about 1 second, so home workouts flow smoothly instead of being interrupted by constant plate changes. Integrated smart tracking automatically counts repetitions, time, and estimated calories, which is especially helpful if you like to review your training data and see progress over weeks and months. The Companion app stands out with structured video classes and programs for all major muscle groups, making it easier for beginners and busy people to follow a clear plan instead of guessing what to do. A dual locking design keeps the plates seated securely during movements, which inspires confidence for overhead and dynamic exercises that can feel risky with cheaper adjustable dumbbells. Casting the app to a television or computer screen turns a small corner of your home into a guided studio-style workout space, and the compact design still stores neatly when you are done.